Hi, today we want to work with the Nuke tracking. For a start, in Node Graph, I hit the Tab key and select the right node and load my footage. Open that, and if we want to see our footage on a viewer, we just need connect the viewer handle to our footage we imported. So we add tracking. I select the right node and hit the tab again and choose camera tracker node and hit enter. Camera tracker, hit the enter, and so the process is really easy. You just need the camera tracker, go to camera tracker tab and hit the analyze. In analyze, hit the track, but before that we go to the setting and increase our number of features. The increasing number of features make our tracking more technical and more stable, very better quality. I increase from 150 to 2000 and come back to camera tracker and hit the track button. You can see our tracking is starting and wait to finish that. So after that, we hit the solve button to solve camera and we're waiting again, and our camera track it. So you can see the green point and the red point. The red point is unsolved, and for fixing that we go to auto track and hit the delete unsolved and delete rejected point. So we can see our tracking feature is very stable and good, and I think we just need to create the scenes and go to camera tracker and choose the scenes from the menu and hit the create. So right now we have several more nodes, one camera tracker point and two camera node and three scenes. And if we want to export our tracking to the Maya, we just need to add the right geometry node and connect that to the scenes node. We have many more level to see our tracking data in Nuke, but in this tutorial I export directly to the Maya and I add the right geometry node, connect that to the scenes and get the address to the file where we want to export our file. I choose drive D, for example. I'm sorry, I choose drive C, and file type is very important. You must choose the file type. I choose FBX. So you must pay attention to write format type after your file name is very important. After that, I hit the execute button to get the export. In execute, I chose OK, and our exporting is done. I import my file to Maya from a file menu and import. And when we load our FBX file, you can see our all of the tracking and the camera loading in Maya, and our tracker feature load as locator in Maya, and you can see they are very big. To fix that, we just need to select all of the locator in Maya and decrease the scale of them. I select all of the locator and change the scale from 1 to 0.001. Hit enter and you can see all of the track feature right now smaller. So right now I want to show you a new method to create a ground and set the grid plan for our tracking scenes. In this method, you just need select a 4 point of your tracking. You must choose somewhere is flat. For example, in our scenes, the point 4, I chose 4 point on asphalt and create polygon from them. I choose 1, 2, 3, 4 point on asphalt. So I isolate my point to see better. Now we have 4 points. We create polygon from them. So to create that, we go to a mesh menu and choose create polygon tools. I turn on point snap and choose the 4 points, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Right now we have one polygon created from a 4 point. So we link our camera and all of the tracker point to this polygon, and you can control your scenes. I change the polygon name to a ground, and change the pivot center to the center of this polygon to control all of the scenes. I select my camera and all of the track point and parent that to the ground. Select ground and hit the P key from keyboard. So if we change the scale of this polygon, all of our scenes change it. And if we rotate that, all of our scenes rotated. So for example, you can see the grid of the Maya is not set to our ground, and to fix that, very simply, I just select that polygon and move my polygon to the right point. So right now I need it to go to up. Before that, I load my background footage. I select the camera in environment. I hit the create and load my background footage. You can see our polygon we created set on the ground, but our Maya grid is not set to the asphalt to the ground. Everything is stable. Our tracking is very good. We just need fix to the grid. I select my polygon and change that position to fix that. You can even rotate your scenes, scale it, and move it. So I rotate my polygon, which all of my scenes rotated with that. I change the scale. I change my polygon scale to 1 and change it to 100. So our tracking is done. You can create a more point for your scene. And thank you for watching. Thanks.